Late in the evening, she's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I said yes. Yes, you look wonderful tonight. And everyone turned to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I got his ass in hand, so I give her the car keys. She helped me to them, and then I tell her, as a charge of the line, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.